Hello everyone, welcome to Pyramid Bell channel. So today what we're going to see is the product which is used for all over the world. This product is mainly used in all over the world. So what is that? It's nothing but mosquito net. Yeah, mainly in India this mosquito net is mainly used. It's a useful thing. So I got this product in Flipkart. It can easily open. It is fit to the king size bed and also available in a single bed. So it is easy to open, but when it comes to close the net, want to fold it back, they gave the instructions. They gave the instructions to how to fold it back, but I felt difficult to fold it back same as shown in this picture. So I used another method to fold this in easy way. So I will show you how to fold it back in easy way. So let's go to the video. Yes, we came to the terrace to show you the clear pictures. Let's open the mosquito net. It's good cover. There is one more cover. They secure with some bells. Just take it off. It will open easily. See, the opening is very easy. Just take your hand. That's all. It's got opened. The opening is very easy. Now you can able to see the two phases. See, there is the two-way phases. From the center you just take it out. There now is a four phase. So that's all. This is the complete mosquito net picture. Yes. So I will tell you how to fold it back. So now its opening is very easy, but only thing is to fold it back like how they sent it as such. So take it to your net, the tip, like you just imagine that is then a mountain, the tip of the mountain, just fold it in frontwards. You just imagine that you are giving the invitation to someone, that way, just to fold it towards. See it once again clearly. Just take the tip of that. Just imagine it's a mountain, the tip of the mountain, and fold it towards. Make sure that all zips are closed. Without zipping you should not fold it. So handle like this. Keep your both hands towards like this. Yeah, this way. This is the way to fold. Just shrink that. You will get some picture. Yeah, there is now the three vases. The center, you hold it tightly. Now you can see the two holes. Then join that. Hold it tightly because yes, it's so hot. So hold it tightly, then fold it the center portion along with them. That's it. Finish the folding. It's so easy method. Just correct them in single size. That's all, work done. It's so easy. They gave the belt, so secure again with that belt, so it won't remove it back. That's all, you can cover it up back. Yes, this is the catalog which they gave inside that mosquito net. Yeah, this is the way to fold it there is the 10 steps. I can come till the 7th steps. Same as shown in this picture, I can able to fold this, but after that I felt it difficult to fold this like this. That's why I used in another method to fold it. And we can able to wash this using with the detergent, and it is easy to wash it back. And they gave some stars, glitter stars, to hang it up, and it's also available in so many colors. And if you are wish to get from online using this QR code or using this website, we can shop it from there. And they gave some features. Yeah, they are listed some features. Self-supporting, pops up in an instant and automatically, can be folded in seconds. Yes, it's true, can be able to folded in seconds. It fits for larger in size, for king size beds. Storage bag is included. Weight loss is then 1.2 kg, provided with large zippers gates and made with spring steels technology, available in attractive colors. Yeah, it's true. See here they mentioned it's also available in single, king size and queen size beds. So it's mainly we should not use such products like a mosquito products to kill the mosquitoes products. So we should buy this product. It's mainly used for kids, and also we should use this. It's very nice. So that's it, friend. This is the easy way to fold the mosquito net. If you felt tough, if you felt difficult to fold it, in the description what they gave in this paper. So just follow this method to fold it. It's really easy, and it's a simple way to fold it. So hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.